Mars. Mars is the planet of physical energy. It governs your sex drive, your forcefulness, and your aggression. Mars is the planet that spurs you into action. Are your sexual relationships ardent, tempestuous, and quarrelsome? Do you lose your temper quickly, or do you simmer for a while and then explode? In a conflict, do you display cold contempt or heated anger? Is your willpower strong or weak? Does competition bring out your fighting spirit? To learn more about your assertive power, you must study the position of Mars in your birth chart. From early times, Mars has excited and stirred the imagination. Because of its red color, Mars has always been known as a fiery planet. It is named after the Roman god of war. Mars, whose name means bright and burning one, was a warrior who exulted in battle and strife. Aggressive and quarrelsome, he never hesitated before leaping into the fray. In astrology, Mars governs energy, boldness, the will to win, the ability to turn ideals into action. It is the planet of passion and sexuality and force. It signifies ambition and desire, courage and strength. A large part of the planet's domain are your sex impulses, for Mars governs the sex organs. Mars' position in your chart indicate what stirs your passions and whether you can get your own way. It tells what kind of physical endurance you possess and how accident-prone you are. Mars' influence also brings strife and conflict, tension and anger, accidents and destruction. It rules heat, fire, earthquakes, violence, and wars. The negative side of Mars' power can cause sudden injury or illness. When Mars is prominent in your chart, you have a go-getting personality with enormous energy and a rugged constitution. You tend to be enterprising, quick, and active, and you hate being ordered around. Depending on how you use Mars' force, you may be argumentative, quarrelsome, and reckless, and encounter a great deal of discord in your sex relationships. You may be a strong leader, adventurous, and pioneering, but may also be quick-tempered, brash, impulsive, and impatient. In its highest form, Mars represents your unleashed energy and your human will. It is up to you to use this force constructively. To find out what sign Mars was in on the day of your birth, consult the Mars tables on page 495.